So one thing very interesting happened with my client. So client say हम तो email marketing करते हैं, हम तो LinkedIn करते हैं. Why should we hire? I'm like fair enough. I'm like let's do your test. So I get there, inside salesperson in the room. I'm like open this website. There's a website called Gmask Inbox. Okay, I'm gonna this thing gmask.co.inbox. And what I say is, okay, they say we do mail merge. I'm like fair enough. Just send your mail merge to these email IDs. The moment they send it over here, instantaneously they're gonna show across different email IDs where if their email comes into spam, primary inbox, promotions, everything ended up in spam. The client signed the contract. Right? Emails need to get read to be responded. They should come into primary inbox. Right? For this thing to happen, you need to do simple things. Make sure you set up a new domain and set up Google Apps for Business called G Suite. Second, then this is some technical things called domain keys management, SPF and DMARC. Whoever the technical guy is, ask them to set this thing up, or do a Google search, do this. This is where it gets interesting. Mimic real user activity, right? And this is what we have. So what happened is our emails over time, because we are not getting that many replies, emails end up in spam. Our thing is, how can we move them to primary inbox? So this is a part I call how to cheat a $6 billion company. So first thing you do is, so when you create a new email ID, sign up on social media accounts. That's very important. That's what a real person does. Second is you talk to your other email IDs, you send them email, get them replies. This is the basic stuff. Everyone can do it. People don't do it. This is where it gets interesting. कितना कर लोगे? How much can you do it? There's limited, email IDs you will have. There are limited social media you can sign up. So we came up with something called our own method, and this is also Bizamps' invention. What we do is there are websites that have micro workers. Micro workers are security guards sitting in, let's say US. They don't have anything to do. What they do is they say, let me do a small task and get 10 cents. So what we say to them is, man, we're going to send you an email and you have to reply something positive to it. And the email body is the same email body we are sending as sales. Does it make sense? They come on the website, they fill up a Google form, they get an email, and then they reply, very nice, give me a call. The moment we see that reply, we approve their 10 cents. This is what we do. And from doing this, I have went from spam folder to primary, but this trick works only once. After that, you have to change your email and domain. I'm sorry, this is how it works. I wish it had worked multiple times, saved me a bunch of money, but it works once. So there's an automation tool called Zapier. You set up a Google form, you trigger an automatic email that sends the email to that person. You take the link of the Google form and you go on a website called Rapid Workers. Set up a campaign for 10 cents, right? And you say, fill up the form, get an email, report not spam, our email if it comes in your spam, and reply to us. Boom. Okay. There's also another thing. Whichever tool you're using to sending out emails, everyone has a support staff. And I'm running this firm for 2 years, right? I still find those people answers and things they point out very helpful. We miss out stuff. Get their support team to review our emails, to review our backup setup, to review stuff like that. And incredible. So use Mailshake. If you're using Mailshake, that's my recommended tool. There are multiple others.